Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in Queens, New York. I'd like to share with you some information about the second spouse to plan for Medicaid. I interviewed a client today with her adult children, and her husband recently went on Medicaid. Now, there were assets, monies in the bank, a house, also a life insurance policy. Now, the husband is presently on Medicaid, and the community spouse, that's this person's wife, my new client, had what we call a sweetheart will. A sweetheart will is where she left, in the event that she predeceased her husband, all of her assets would go to her husband. Now, her husband is presently on Medicaid. There would be dire consequences and the loss or potential loss of money by having the recipient of Medicaid be the beneficiary of a life insurance policy. So what we quickly did, the strategy will be to utilize a trust for the benefit and protection that it can afford. But what we did today was immediately draft and execute a new will. Now, that will disinherited her husband. There is an issue with that in that there's an elective share in New York, and I could go deeper into that. But what we had to do is change her will so that the husband was not the beneficiary of all of her estate. And I did counsel her to change the beneficiary designation on insurance policy. This was a short-term approach while we prepare and draft the more meaningful and better documents. I ran out of steam at the end. If you'd like to give me a call, if you'd like to meet with me, please go to callfrankbruno.com. If you like the video, please like it or share it. It's been a big thrill to get a lot of support from people that have been watching. Thank you.